What is good? It is your boy Mikeyyywill here. I'm trying to get this video done before the sun goes down, but it's impossible. I want to give you guys a little bit of an update. If you guys have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are working on an electric tricycle. Well, it's a regular adult tricycle. It's a Schwinn meridian tricycle. It's adult size, huge, got 26-inch rims, yada yada yada, single speed. But this, I'm making this for my girlfriend's parents. Want them to see how I did it, but obviously, like, it's been so cold, so dark and stuff like that, it's been kind of hard to get out here and show you guys everything I've been doing. But here's the bracket that I made for the motor. It is gonna be a 48 volt system. This is gonna, well, don't worry about that part. That's gotta get welded. Don't worry, it's gotta get cleaned up and stuff like that. But I made this little top part so it can go into the pre-existing bolts. That little basket was going up there. And the key part to this thing, let me put this thing back real quick. The key part to this thing is this little guy right here. This sprocket is a number 25 sprocket. If you guys want to know, actually skip all that. It is 17 millimeters across. If you wanted to do if you wanted to put this sprocket on the axle is 17 millimeters. Don't try to go for 11/16 or 16 millimeters. Just order one from Amazon. They come pretty cheap. They come pretty quickly. You just have to grind down there's like a little locking mechanism, not mechanism, like a little locking block in there. But other than that, that's about because it's a Razor motor. It is a Razor MX 650 motor. I got an overvolt kit to make it 48 volts. It is nighttime now. As you can see, the lights are out, but we're trying to, the bike is obviously flipped over, trying to make a solid point for this. So I drew out these two lines, made sure it fit right there. There we go. And I just gotta drill a hole through the middle. Should be easy enough. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Grab this from a box of bolts. And where's the hole? Crap. Can't really see them over here. Actually, yeah, you can. See that little hole down there? And it goes right through to the other side. Yo. Alright, so guys, you gotta make that mark. You're gonna take that chain. You want a little bit of slack, maybe I think 1 inch of play is about right. So you have to figure out where it is, and you have to use a little chain breaker. Dude, that chain breaker is so annoying because it's so small, but we finally got it on. And this is me finally just making sure it runs straight and everything with the motor mount and everything. And guys, there it is. Got everything running mint. Number 25 sprocket on both ends. Check the link in Amazon. I got you guys. If you guys want to do this, remember 17 millimeters axle shaft. So right now, we done welded up a battery bracket. And with that being said, you got to put the battery bracket on. And then it just rests right on the frame. You put the battery in there. And then, guys, you got to put the speed controller on. That is the overvolt kit. And it's pretty self-explanatory. They give you a little sheet of everything. I put a little Velcro strap around the battery just temporarily. Maybe not. It's pretty good. It's pretty sturdy, though. This thing isn't going to be hitting jumps. You guys can see that there's an XT60 on there, and I soldered on an XT60 for the speed controller as well. So, obviously, and you have to flip the wires of the motor because they are back. All the Razor motors somehow just be wired backwards. and that's how it be sometimes. But right now we're about to plug it in, and that's a good sign. No smoke, no shorting out. Put the key in, kaboom. All right, here we go, guys. See if, after all this hard work, see if it's all good. Just like that, guys, it works. I took it on a couple rides, but it definitely still needs some work with the chain tensioning. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, like, and comment button. Everything helps you guys. We got more content coming soon. Peace.